First, go to worldwideweb.extranormal.com and then scroll down to find the download. Click here to sign up and enter your email address and your name here. Then go to your email address and scroll down to find the download link. Once downloaded, double-click the installer.exe. Now enter your username and password. And now click on File and New Project to begin. Choose the set you want to use, click OK. Next, choose a character and drag it into the set. You have some basic command that you can use. Facial expression, used to change facial expression of the character. Look at target. Make a select character to look at certain object, either other character or a marker. Gesture, character take action based on gesture command. Look at camera. Make the character look at the camera. Static camera. Change the angle of the camera. Sound effect. Add a sound effect to play during the scene. Photo inlay. In some set or scene, they will have a special option to change a picture display on some subject. Pause. Add some time between each action when placed between two command or line. Other interface. Project name. Change or set a new scene. Screen. In some scene, there is an option to change picture that would appear on an object. Sound. Add an ambient sound to the background. Scene option. Automatic cinematography. Automatically zoom into speaker to create a cinematic feel. Automatic character gesture. Character will automatically act to dialogue. And character will always look at the current speaker. Character management. This interface will list your character that is on the screen. Here you can change character and their voices. Drag command or type word for a character to speak into character timeline. When you finish adding command and line to speak, click on the play icon to see the result.
Hello. This is a Nawmal tutorial. We will show you how to create an animation.
Let's go.
When the video is finished, you can see how it looks. Select preview. If the result is the expected one and you want to publish, select publish. an internet address will be created to watch the video. You can also generate a code that can be copied and embedded in a block. To export the animation, simply save the project, and at the bottom right, there is an option for you to export the project to video file. Depending on how big or long the animation is, the time to export can vary.